Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to design a social media post using Canva. So as you can see right now, I am currently inside the Canva website. So if you're seeing this on your end also, you're good to go. So a quick reminder, if you're watching this using your MacBook, laptop, even tablet, or any mobile devices, please stay in the video because the process is literally the same across all devices. Now with that being said, let's get started with this one and please take notes as we move on. So with this one, I want to show you first that this thing we called Content Planner. So right now we're in this For You page. So make sure you click on this one, social media, because this is going to be our main topic for today. So if you click on social media, you'll see this one, this Content Planner, one of the best features of Canva. So if you click on this one, you'll be opening a new page, which will be canva.com/planner. It's much like what they call this on a calendar for your dates. Of course, these are preset dates for specific days on the US calendar. As you can see right now, this is not based on the Philippine calendar where I'm located right now, but technically on the US calendar. So right now we're in 16. So if you want to add an event for 17, simply click on that button right there. And as you can see, you can simply add whatever you need with this one. You can convert to an Instagram business account, link Instagram account to Facebook page, and these are the preset templates you can create on this specific date. But the best part about this one, you can also create a design on this specific page. So that being said, this is the content planner. Just want to show you guys regarding this one. Now going back to the main page right now to get started on our post, click on escape right there, and simply hover your mouse on this option that says Facebook post. So since this is gonna be a tutorial regarding posts, I'm gonna focus on Facebook post, mainly a landscape design. The pixel or your resolution will be 940 by 788 pixels. Now please, don't let this stop you. If you wanna use Instagram post resolution, please do so. It doesn't really matter the resolution or size regarding this one because it's just a design, or rather it's just a size. The design and skills are going to be different from each and one of us, okay? So let's get started with this one. Let me just click it. And I'm going to be opening the plain Canva editing platform. Let me just remove the previous windows right there. And let's get started. So basically right now we have a blank Canva inside Canva. That's basically it. So that being said, with this one, we can add a design. Simply pay your attention on the section on the left. We have design, elements, text, brands, uploads, draw, projects, and so on and so forth. But please don't be nervous rather. I know it's quite daunting, it's quite overwhelming creating a design from scratch. That's why Canva helps us here. Simply make sure you're in design section right there, and then make sure you're inside this search bar. Now that being said, let's get started. For example, I'm gonna create a design regarding a basketball league incoming on our area. For example, I'm gonna say basketball tournament. Easy as that. This is gonna be the exact relevant keywords inside my post. Click on it and you'll see these options. So Canva will give us, if not 100, maybe 1,000 even more designs for us to use from. Now before we get started right there, I want you to pay attention on this designs that says edu, or the one with the toga cap, even the ones with the crown. That being said, these designs are for Canva Pro users only. Please take note about that word. It's called Canva Pro users. So there are designs here that doesn't have that specific logo. That means it's free to use. And you heard me right. This one that has this design, that means this is for paid users only. So if you still don't have an account for paid users, might as well try it for the free version as of now. I'm gonna use the free templates anyway for us to move on step by step. So let me just choose a free template that's specifically for me. It's a nice design. How about this one right here? Pretty simple, pretty generic. So as you can see, we've just overcome that starting from scratch problem when creating a template or a post, right? So we have something to work with right now. And with this phase of the tutorial, this is gonna be the design phase. Now please, I would just want to let you know that this design phase will be by our own skills and sets. That being said, the design here will be depending on how you look at it, on how you do it, okay? The limit here would be your imagination. So for this one, I'm just gonna use this exact design and then just tinker with it a little bit. And then just gonna show you the basic features right there. For example, editing the text. Make sure to highlight it. And then simply name your exact post. For example, let's just say basketball tournament. As you can see, it overlapped with the design. Not a problem because I can design it properly. For example, I don't want this specific logo right there. I can highlight it back and just simply change the color. To change the color of this specific box, what you may say, click on this option that says on the top section, edit photo. And that being said, if you edit the photo, you can change the color with this one. Simply choose the blur or duotone function over there, and you can change the color as you please. You can also change the animation with this one, as you can see. Perfect, right? I'm just showing you the tools to work with on this specific Canva page. So that being said, let's try a little bit more. Change this one or change this to a specific font on the top section. So again, I just want to show you, these are the one I'm talking about. These are for Canva Pro users. I'm just going to use free versions as of there. So again, I'm just showing you the ropes here, how it works. So you may copy here whatever I'm doing, and please pick up these skills and expand them on your own. So this is how you change a font on the top section. You can change the font size, of course, on this specific sizing. Of course, we can also change the color of the fonts by this option right there. Of course, we can also make it bold, italic, or even have an underline. We can even input uppercase or lowercase right there. This is the alignment. May it be left, middle, or right. Of course, it also has this bullet effect. Now this from bullet or number, and of course this one also, the spacing. We have letter spacing, we have line spacing over here. So when I say the design here will be by your own imagination, that is truthful. So again, moving on, the animation is right there. I want to highlight this one. You can create your own animation by this option that says create animation. If you choose that, was simply make your own animation right there by holding your left mouse button. Easy as that. And that being said, we can change the design of the background itself, so it doesn't mean if it came with this background you're gonna use it. You can change it by simply highlighting, making sure you see those violet lines or violet margins at the back, and simply clicking the delete button. And there you go. Now to input the design again, make sure you're on elements, or rather design here, and then choose the design that you like. Let's say styles over here, and then choose the design. Let's say add the page first. You can add the page over here, and then choose a different design. Let's say this one. Pretty much the same. Copy or copy style, it's up to you. Just gonna click copy right there and pasting it right here. So again, you can copy this one, pasting it over there, and do so as you please. You can also edit the balls over here. You can also edit that shadow, so every tools right here can be copied. Pretty neat, right? And that being said, if we're done here, editing or customizing the design, let's add a link now. So for example, I want to add a link for this specific text. Let me just grab this one, highlighting the front. So as you can see right now, this design is on the front, so we cannot really hover the mouse on our front fonts or letters. A little tip for you guys, make sure it's positioned backwards. This is how you position backward on the design. Make sure it's on to the back. So whenever you hover your mouse, you can simply highlight your text. So to input a link, simply make sure you choose the specific text you want to hyperlink, right click, and you'll see this option that says link. So for example, I just want to input a specific link on the web. Let's just say facebook.com, click on enter, and I've just added this specific link on this specific word. So whenever they click this one, they'll be directed on Facebook. Easy as that. So if I'm satisfied with this one, for example, I'm good to go with this. Simply click on this share button on the top right section, and you'll see this option. You can simply download the photo as of now with this one, and you'll have this choices by PNG, PDF, or PDF print, or even SVG. But this SVG is for Canva Pro users. You can also use GIF or GIF and MP4 video. But for this one, I'm going to use PNG, and it's just the sizing on this part right here. So when I say it's not really important regarding the size when started, this is what I mean. You can still adjust the size over here, and then just choose the specific page we're going to download over on this section. Now click on download. We're now downloading this specific photo on our computer. Just wait for it to finish, and you can see right there, it has been downloaded. Easy as that. So we can post this one now on our Facebook posts or Instagram even. And that being said, I have another tip for you guys to make sure that we can directly upload this photo to our Facebook account without downloading it to our computer. To do that, simply click on the share button again, and you'll see this button that says Facebook page. Simply click on it, and then this one would be linked on your Facebook account. So make sure you connect your Facebook. It will ask for your logins, and simply log in as your account. Simply click on next and click it done. We're just linking our Facebook as of now. Click on OK, and we're good to go. Our Facebook has just been linked on your Canva account. So you don't have given enough permission to publish. Please try again connecting your account again. So I think there's a bug on Facebook as of now. Anyway, this is the way how to connect your Facebook and simply post this photo on your Facebook. Easy as that. One more thing regarding this one, you can schedule your posting on Canva by simply connecting your Facebook page also. So again, let's try that out one more time to see it will work if the bug has been done. So connect as this one, make sure you give authorization, and make sure you're good to go on this one. Now let's just wait for it to finish and hope it will work this time. So as you can see right there, make sure you publish. You can edit your text right here. Sample text. Make sure this is a PNG because this is not a video. And just choose the pages you want to edit, or rather upload. So this is the one option that says schedule a publish later. This is scheduling post. You can click here and make sure you choose the specific date and time when you want to publish. But for now, I'm just going to publish as it is. Choose a page, PNG, choose a photo, and simply type in a sample content. Publish now, click on this button, and you're good to go. Now I'm going to escape this one because I don't want to publish it on my Facebook page anyway. But anyway, just wait for that to finish loading and it will be automatically uploaded on your Facebook page. Now that being said, that's how you create a Facebook post on Canva. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.